apologized in face. Of course, we talked a lot after the last round. They really, the fact that they understood that they made a big mistake was good. The organizer really said that we made a big mistake and it will never happen, so I'm happy about that they said it will never happen, because it's better not to see it again. And yeah, but I think in general it was a great tournament. The most important thing for my perspective was to be all the chess fans be in a good mood after this tournament, and I was not happy to see that after this tournament the social media was not so grateful. I wanted it would be fun for everybody.